Hey guys, I'm Jared. So today was my first day of coding boot camp. Right now it's 11:30 p.m. So my day started at 8 when I woke up. Um, I had breakfast in the morning. I made eggs, fruit, yogurt, whatever, stuff like that. Um, After that, I took a shower, got ready, dressed up. It's online. The coding boot camp is online, so I'm not going anywhere. I just put a shirt on, pajama pants, I'm good. After that, I sat down, practiced a little bit of like basic algorithms, like really fundamental. They really um, enforced us to do these algorithms. I I guess we'll just build off from there, but yeah, yeah, I just like to practice them so I can get a good foundation. Today actually wasn't that bad. I mean, it's just the beginning. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen later on, but so far everything's good. The instructor has been like really nice, helpful. We have like some teacher assistants to help us out also. But my background is I've been a nurse for like 3 years. Um, I graduated in 2018. I kind of knew I didn't want to be a nurse since my first job. So I saved up some money for something like this so I could make a career change. So I'm trying my best here to um, do something better for myself. Um, and I want to see myself progress from where I am today. Yeah. So while working in my last job, I was a home care nurse for kids. That was one of my jobs. Um, I did like a Udemy course, like a boot camp course, nothing too crazy. Once I got to the back end, it was kind of hard for me to like um, grasp the concepts. And at that point, I realized that I really needed to focus my time to really like understand these concepts. And like, I really needed dedicated time. And like after work to come study, it's just hard. And even like I worked in evening shifts, so when I woke up, I didn't want to do anything but get ready for work. And then after work, I got home and stuff like that. I just, it was hard for me to study. Like it was really inconsistent. So that's when I decided to quit my job to join the boot camp. Um, yeah. So here I am, first day, done. Yeah. So at the boot camp starts at 10 Eastern time. Central time it starts at 9 a.m. So at 10, the first day we did an introduction. She broke us up into like little groups. It's really awkward. I'm really awkward. I'm very shy. Um, yes. I did try to like talk to one of them over Discord. We communicate through Discord in this boot camp. Yeah. So I'll see how that goes because I do not want to struggle through this boot camp on my own, especially because I don't know too much about coding and it's really fast paced. So I really need someone there to like push me through, struggle together, grow together, stuff like that, you know? Just to be there for each other because they really like talked about how we're there for each other. Like we're in this boot camp for like a better future. So, yeah. Anyways, sorry. Yeah, after introductions, we went right into the content. They did like a 10-minute thing about the boot camp, like they discussed what they're about, stuff like that, blah blah blah. But the content they went through today we did HTML. Um, yeah, it was just HTML, nothing crazy. Um, it was pretty easy for me, I guess, because I did the Udemy courses. So it wasn't too bad. But the thing that they introduced to us was like GitHub and stuff like that. I wasn't too familiar with GitHub. That's when I like started to fall behind on that Udemy course. So yeah, but like it's not too bad. We only did like basic things with GitHub. We just made like repositories and pushed them onto, I can't explain it too well, but I can do it. So yeah, sorry if I roll my eyes. It's just so dry and I'm tired. Um, yeah, after that it was lunch, and then basically most of the class was lab time, like to work on our assignments, work on the readings that we have, practice the skills that we're learning through the boot camp. We had 5 assignments due tonight by 12 midnight. I already finished them during the lab time, so I was okay. Um, and hopefully the rest of my cohort is good. Right now, there's like 40 people in my class. That's a lot of people. Um, yeah. Yeah, a lot of it is lab time. Like they even said that most of your learning is through these self-study, pair programming. Right now, we didn't really work in groups because the content isn't too bad, but we could always post questions in the Discord chat. So yeah, basic. So today it was introduction and lab time, and then we did more lecture, and then yeah, that's basically it. It runs from 10 to 6 with a hour lunch in between. I know it seems like there's a lot of free time right now, but that's just because the content is like really easy right now. But I think when things start to pick up, I will start to need like every minute of that lab time. So yeah, 10 to 6. Yeah, we wrap things up at around 5:50. And then the teacher assistants are like available after hours to answer any questions and stuff like that. Um, but honestly, after class is done, the day isn't over after that. Well, for me, it isn't. Um, what did I do? After class, I kind of like read through the material for tomorrow, just a little bit of it. I did like one assignment for the stuff tomorrow. My goal is to always be a day ahead, or at least try to be, or like not to get behind at all, because I think later on, when the material gets harder, getting behind is gonna be like really difficult to like catch up. So I really want to make sure that I don't fall behind during this. Yeah, the boot camp is like 14 weeks, so it won't be too bad. Like 14 weeks of hard work for a better future. I mean, it's not that bad. Like I 4 years of nursing school was, I don't know. I mean, at least I have a degree, but I could always keep it as a side job. That's the good thing about it. It's nursing for me was very like secure and it's easy to get a job. Um, but yeah, that's my first day of boot camp. Uh, Not too much, honestly. Tomorrow it's an intro to CSS, but I will update you guys tomorrow. Okay.